Wait, let me do something. Wait, does that work? Yeah, still no.
In northeastern New Jersey until 6 p.m. At 5:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Millington or near Morristown, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusted and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor hail damage to vehicles if possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Summit around 5:30 p.m. Milburn around 5:40 p.m. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Ah!